Hi, I'm Dan Shorthouse.
And I'm Zoanna Shorthouse.
And our ministry is Life Restored Ministries International. We've recently accepted an assignment to work alongside of Southeast Asia Prayer Council in Cambodia. And they have a very important project that they're working with in the Battambinchie province. For many decades, Cambodia has been trying to recover from the civil war that took place in the 1970s. During that time, they lost most of their infrastructure, especially in the academic realm and the arts realm. Many of the teachers that were in the country back then either fled as refugees or actually lost their lives during that period of time. And so Cambodia has been trying to rebuild and reestablish from that history that took place decades ago. And one of the problems that has been a result of the lack of education in the country is that many children leave the country to find work. There's a lack of economic development, especially in the rural communities. Our ministry, Life Restored Ministries International, is working alongside of CPAC, Southeast Asia Prayer Council, to help restore a workforce development program, vocational education. I recently retired as a vocational educator, and my wife has been K-12 certified in music, and she has 12 years almost experience in nursing, healthcare profession, and we've accepted this assignment to help the Cambodian people recover from their history. This is a very important initiative because there's something taking place in Cambodia as well as in many nations, but it is actually heightened because of the profound statistics that we found out. In the Battambinchie province, the number of school children from 4th grade to the end of the high school drops by 60%. They lose 60% of the student population from 4th grade to the end of high school level.
The reason that this happens is because at the age of 13, they can get working papers in Thailand. And so they go over there to get what they would hope to be a better job opportunity than what they have in Cambodia.
And sometimes that works out for them. They go over with family and they do work very hard in some sweatshops and other types of working opportunities, but many of them disappear into human trafficking. So our initiative, Nation Builders, the Cambodian initiative, is geared to lower that percentage, lower the amount of Cambodian children that are going into Thailand to find work. And the way we're approaching that is that we're reestablishing vocational education in the country. And by doing so, that's going to help these children develop microeconomic opportunities, learn trades, develop skills that are 21st century skills that they can apply to build companies and small business opportunities to change their future. So that is what our initiative is. Now, why are we standing in front of this shipping container? Well, this shipping container is going to be available at our church, Petra International Ministries, at 235 Eastgate Drive in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And CPAC is providing this container for the purpose of gathering the material that is needed for the vocational schools. Through CPAC's donors, 9 vocational buildings have the funding to be constructed. We already have 3 built, and the other 6 will be built within the next year. That is all 9 districts in the Battambinchie province will have a vocational school.
And these buildings are huge, they're beautiful, but they're empty.
And so this initiative really needs your support because this container is empty and we need donors to donate the equipment for the shops that we're trying to institute over in Cambodia. We need sewing machines, sewing equipment. We need equipment for electrical technology, hand tools, power tools. We need woodworking equipment, especially shop equipment, table saws, band saws, lathes, planers. And this equipment then will help teach the trades to the Cambodian children. In addition to that, you have some trades also.
We need health education materials and sewing and gardening equipment and things for canning and that sort of thing.
And musical equipment, because they want to regain their song. This is a generation. The average age in Cambodia is 22 years old. And they are a generation that wants to find their song, but they don't have the musical instruments available even to teach it at school anymore. So we're trying to fill the container with as much of this as possible. Now you can find this list on our website, www.liferestored.org. That's www.liferestored.org. And on this website, you will find the download link underneath Give. It's the button on the front page, at our home page. Just press Give, and at the bottom of the page is our download link of the document that covers all of the list of materials. Now this is based upon the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania vocational education shop equipment needs. So if you have any equipment that's still usable, whether it's musical equipment, shop equipment, electrical hand tools, power tools, welders, make that equipment available to the Cambodian kids by getting it to 235 Eastgate Drive, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and that's at Petra International Ministries. And the container will be shipping out in mid-August, so you have from now until mid-August to get your donations to make a difference in a nation. God is intent on changing the history of Cambodia and giving them a legacy. And it starts with this vocational initiative. So thank you very much, and God bless you.